I put these magnets like this, it's attracted to each other. If I put like this, it's not.
Is it? Let me see.
Right, Didi? Why is it behaving so weirdly?
Because in magnet, similar poles repel and opposite poles attract. Using this, you can make a magic car. You have to attach a magnet to the car and the other one to the stick so that the two magnets will repel each other and hence the car will move forward. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and want to watch more videos, please share and subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up.